Good to see you. We specialize in manufacturing components for bicycles, automobiles, motorcycles, medical equipment, defense, aerospace, and sports gear. Our main product is custom-made bike and motorcycle front forks, offering the highest strength through a range of pressure testing machines. Our aluminum alloy car roof bars offer lightweight and high-strength products, tested through various pressure testing machines. Our customized bike and motorcycle handlebars are made from high-strength aluminum alloy to suit your specific size requirements. Our manufactured wheelchair parts are made from aluminum alloy, known for its high strength and lightweight characteristics. For more product, please visit our stores. Do you like our product? Contact us now.